Today, I will explain to you the easiest design pattern that you should know. Imagine you got employed by YouTube and you are tasked with creating a system that will manage YouTube channels. The system will allow users to publish new videos and then notify every subscriber of this channel. Let's create necessary classes. Class YouTube channel, class video, and class subscriber. In the YouTube channel, I will put one method that will publish a new video. So public void publish video and pass video as parameter. In the video class, I will for simplicity only put a reference to the YouTube channel. So public YouTube channel, and constructor. And in subscriber class, I will put one public method that will be called update. And here I will print just I was updated. The reason why I'm not naming this method notify is because the method of this name already exists in the object class, so we can't use this name. Let's now create subscriber and YouTube channels in the main method. So yeah, YouTube channel, and subscriber. We would like our YouTube channel to somehow notify the subscriber that there is a new video published. But right now, our YouTube channel has no idea of the existence of the subscriber. We need to create a reference to the subscriber in the YouTube channel class. So let's create a subscriber field in the YouTube channel class. Subscriber, okay. And we'll create new method public void subscribe and set the subscriber to subscriber. In the publish video, we can notify our subscriber, so subscriber update. By the way, we probably should pass the video to the subscriber, so we can also do this. So video, and in our method video, and maybe change the print line to notif about video. Okay. In the main method, let's subscribe to our channel and then notify our subscriber with the new video. So YouTube channel, subscriber, and YouTube channel, not notify, but publish video and new video. And this video gets YouTube channel, so let's pass here YouTube channel to the constructor. And if we run our program, we can see that our subscriber was notified about this video. Of course, there's like some weird toString because we didn't override toString in the video class, but that doesn't matter. The problem is that our YouTube channel can currently be subscribed by only one subscriber that we are hard coding in our program. If you are creating the system in real life, you would have no idea how many subscribers this channel will get, or if any. So first of all, we want to have multiple subscribers, and you might suggest that instead of using one reference, we could use, for example, reference to an array of subscribers. But then we don't know the maximum number of subscribers, so the correct answer is to use a list of subscribers. And if we do that, we are one step closer to implementing the observer pattern. Here is the UML diagram of this pattern. We have a publisher that stores lists of subscribers, methods to add and remove subscriber, and method to notify every subscriber. We also have subscriber interface with update method because our publisher only cares if the subscriber has method update and does not care about its implementation. And there is of course implementation of our subscriber. As you can see, this pattern is very simple and straightforward. Pros of this pattern is using open-close principle. You can introduce new subscriber classes without having to change the publisher's code. You can establish relations between objects and runtime. For example, in our application, we would have, for example, a button to subscribe a channel. And this button would call a method that would get our current user and pass him to the subscribe method. The only problem with this pattern is that we don't have a control over the order that subscribers will be notified. But in our case, this won't matter. So let's now implement the missing methods and fields. First of all, let's change the subscriber field to subscriber list. So YouTube channel, private subscriber, of course, list, and change it to subscribers and new array list. Let's import the list class. Now we'll create a method to unsubscribe, so public void unsubscribe subscriber and subscribers remove subscriber. We don't have to check if the subscriber is in the list, because this is functionality that is already implemented by the list remove class. Not class, but the method, of course. And in the subscribe method, we will get this subscribers and add subscriber. And in our publish video, we'll create a for each loop. For each subscriber in subscribers. And we will get subscriber update about video. The reason we are using the for each loop is because for each has a built-in null check. So we don't have to check if there are any subscribers in our list. Now I would like to create interface for our subscriber. So interface subscriber, and we have to rename our subscriber to, for example, maybe user, and implement subscriber. And in our interface we'll put, of course, the method void update video. We can also add annotation for our method, so override. If you want me to make a full guide about annotations, you can let me know in the comments. But this one annotation is information for the compiler that this method is overridden, of course, from the parent class or interface. And if you were following this tutorial and writing down the code step by step, you can congratulate yourself because you just implemented the observer pattern. After all that hard work, we can test our program. So let's create some subscribers in our main method. Subscriber s1 equals new user, and subscriber s2 and subscriber s3. We will now subscribe to our YouTube channel. So YouTube channel subscribe s1, s2 and s3. And now we will publish new video. After that, I will create some space to divide outputs, and now we will unsubscribe from YouTube channel. Unsubscribe s1 maybe, and unsubscribe s2. We will leave one subscribed user to see the difference. And now we will publish another video. So YouTube channel, publish video and new video. And if we run now our program, we can see that first 3 channels were notified, but after unsubscribing, only 1 channel is notified. So everything works as expected. YouTube thinks that you should watch this video next, and till the next time, create some amazing applications.